Good morning. Happy review day. Days. I've actually given you 2 days for this. You're welcome. Okay, because I want you to have time to straighten out any issues that you might have with each other. So the test is Friday. We will score it Tuesday as a class. Correct any issues we have, okay? Now I understand I'm not there. I haven't been there. So just take it easy, relax, and do your best, okay? And honestly, last year's class, the average score was a 4.8 on the AP scale. So I think you're going to be okay. I just want to run through it with you, make sure you're clear on what's going to be on the test, okay? So on the calculator okay portion, remember the definition of a limit, definition of continuity. Here's sample. These are all sample problems that you want to know how to do, okay? Remember the free response, that's all these. Okay. These others are all multiple choice, so keep that in mind, all right? The no calculator portion, again, you've got some things here. This is all on Google Classroom. It looks like a lot, but it's just giving you all the options that I've put on there, okay? And then the free response, you have to sketch a piecewise graph and then have some of these here, all right? You've got 2 days to do this. You should probably work through all these problems. All the odds you have answers for. The solution guide is at the front of the room. That notebook, use it for the evens. It does have the work in it. Okay, so if you get stuck on the odds, can't get the answer right, you can look in the solutions manual for the work, okay? Remember that 6 out of the 18 multiple choices, remember 9 multiple choice here, 9 here, are on continuity. Continuity is in both free response questions. That's how important I think it is, all right? So be aware. Good luck. Now, at the end of the test, you're going to get homework. You probably recognize this. You better recognize velocity graph, okay? This has integrals on it. Time, velocity, okay? If you remember your distance or position, velocity, acceleration, relationships. Okay, what is the velocity at time 1? Well, it's 2 because that's what the graph is. What is the position? Okay, if we start at position 0 over the course of 1 second, the area of this is 1 times 1, so 1/2. I've traveled 1/2 of a foot. Okay, that's the area, because I start with the velocity graph. To go backwards, I have to find the area, position. If I want to find the acceleration, this is the velocity. Derivative of it is acceleration. So what's the derivative of this? It's just the slope. Up 2 over 2, the slope is 1. So the acceleration is 1 foot per second squared. Okay. So keep those in mind. You're calculating slopes and areas, adding and subtracting. Keep in mind at time 1 versus from time 0 to time 1. Those are different things, intervals. Position, remember this is positive area. This is negative area. You're going, when velocity is negative, you're actually going that direction. Here we're traveling this direction, then it goes backwards, backwards, stops here, velocity 0, and then this is positive and again negative. So keep a few of those things in mind. We will talk about it Tuesday or Wednesday. All right.